Hey there. Welcome back to Digital Bay Studio. If you're new here, I'm Kay, your host, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about something that can totally transform your financial future, the Digital Products Masterclass. So, what exactly is the Digital Products Masterclass? Well, it's an incredibly comprehensive course that guides you step by step on how to create, market, and sell digital products. And the best part, it's perfect for beginners. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the digital world or you're looking to level up your game, this course has got you covered. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another course? Is it really worth it? Is it really worth it? But let me tell you, this one is different. And for a limit to time offer, you get access to a wealth of knowledge that can help you start making money online. And it's not just theory. You'll get actionable steps, practical examples, and all the tools you need to succeed. The course covers a wide range of digital products, everything from eBooks and printables to online courses and templates. You'll learn how to brainstorm ideas, validate them, and create products that people actually want to buy. But it doesn't stop there. The Digital Products Masterclass also dives deep into marketing strategies. You'll discover how to use SEO, social media, and email marketing to reach your target audience and drive sales. One of the biggest challenges when starting out is clarity, knowing what steps to take and in what order. This course lays it all out for you, so you're never left feeling overwhelmed or stuck. It's like having a mentor by your side, guiding you every step of the way. If you're ready to invest in yourself and start your digital product business, now is the time. Head over to digitalbestudio.com and join the Digital Products Masterclass today. Trust me, you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Bay Studio for more tips on mastering your finances and making money online. See you next time.